welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the box by Fashionista, whatever. But anyways, that is what we're unboxing. There we go, sorry about the light. And normally I do 10 days reviewing of boxes, but it's usually 2 boxes. Since this is only 1, I will try it out for 3 days and come back and let you know what I think of the products inside. So let's go ahead and get inside this awesome box. The first thing we pull out is the card with the information about the products inside the box, as well as the price. Now it doesn't really show a theme, so I don't think this box comes with a theme. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say about that. So let's go ahead and see what is in the box. All right, the first thing we pull out of the box here is the Rejuvenating Hair Serum by Surtra. I guess that's how you say it. The perfect partner for blow drying, curling, irons, and hair straighteners. Hair professionals know that even the most fabulous style loses a lot if the hair looks dull and damaged. If you use heat to style your hair, this is one product you can't do without. Contains jojoba oil, which is rich in antioxidants, along with vitamin E to protect, strengthen, and repair hair. The formula also contains omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids, which protect hair from UV damage, and silk protein that makes hair silky and strong. Use Surtra Beauty Rejuvenating Hair Serum on wet hair before you blow drying to create a super smooth and silky look. Okay, so I guess I'll be blow drying my hair the next 3 days using this. But I really do like this container. It's super weighted, super pretty. Can't tell if there's a smell. Apparently I can't open it either. So we'll see how this one works out. Next we have Millennial Beauty CBD Sugar Scrub Bud Naked. CBD Sugar Scrub for the most natural exfoliating and skin tightening. Smooth and refine your skin with the first ever CBD infused body scrub. The sugar scrub is packed with botanicals that help exfoliate, refine, and smooth the skin. Use our sugar scrub as pre-cleanse in your shower or after you cleanse to reap all the benefits of the CBD and clean botanicals, made to help reduce stretch marks and aid in cellular production, as well as help combat breakouts. Okay, so that is kind of cool. Doesn't really have much of a smell. I like the idea it helps with stretch marks, so I think that's fabulous. But we'll give this a try and see how this works out. Next we have Liquid Matte Lipstick. When you're searching for the perfect lipstick, look no further than liquid lipstick. The brush on as smoothly as a gloss, but with the pigment level of a luxury lipstick for high impact color. The saturated matte color has staying power to keep your lips lovely for hours. Liquid lipstick can be blotted right after application to give your lips a fresh stain of color, or build the color with multiple coats for a bold, vibrant look. So this is pretty. Next we have Fig and Yarrow Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water. Add an extra dose of beneficial nutrients while hydrating, soothing, and toning skin. It's like 1,000 wafts of calm in every bottle, filled to the brim with a myriad of botanical extracts for soothing, smoothing, cleansing, balancing, and youth-enhancing benefits. I'm actually happy about this because I am fresh out of toner, so excited. Looks pretty. This is also glass, very much so weighted. So I am interested to see how this goes. All right, the last thing in this box is Midnight Garden Shadow Palette. This palette makes it so effortlessly to travel with, and yet still have your go-to shades. These shades range from your true transition shades to, of course, the pop of color to transform a day look to a night look. The formula is rich in pigment and soft as butter. Finishes include duochrome, satin matte, and our classic shimmers. So this is a pretty impressive shade range for a palette. I'm kind of really excited about this. You can see the swatches there. It is a little bit of everything, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna go try these out for 3 days, and I will come back and give you my thoughts on the products. It has been 3 days. This is actually the 3rd day, and I have tried out everything in the box, and I do have opinions. So we are going to go ahead and get into that. The first thing in the box I'm going to talk about is this, what is it? Body scrub. Now, I'm not a huge fan of body scrubs, but I did use it. You could see it. Very much so used it. Well, did it work? Well, I guess it worked. I couldn't tell much of a difference, but I'm not like closely inspecting my body to see if there's a reduction of stretch marks or whatever. I mean, they exist. I've just sort of accepted the fact that that's just my body. But like, I'm just not a fan of scrubs, and I really don't like the smell of this. To me, it had kind of a coppery, blood-like smell, and I don't like that. And it has nothing to do with it being a CBD scrub. It just, the smell was gross to me. I didn't like it. Was it an effective product? Yeah, it was. It felt nice. It felt great. And the smell, even though it was not my favorite, when I, finished my shower or whatever, I put lotion on, so I couldn't really smell it at that point. I just didn't like the smell when I was applying it. So that was my really my only complaint there. Was it terrible? No. It's just, I don't think this was for me. Next is this hair serum, and like the first time I got my hair in it, the first time I used it, I think I used too much. I really do like this. You really don't need a lot. So like this bottle here, should last you several months because you really don't need a lot of it. A little bit goes a long way. Literally 1 pump should be enough, and it works really well. Really enjoy it. Definitely a good product. Then there was the Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water right here. And this was amazing as well. Great smell, felt great. As you can see, I've been using it, and probably obsessively, because it smells really good and it feels really good. So yeah, why wouldn't you use it obsessively? And then there was this liquid lip, which I have on now, and it is a very affordable $10 liquid lip, and it wears very nicely, and there's no complaints about it. So this was good for me as well. And then they had this palette. Now, like, I have a lot of expensive palettes, so when I read the price of $18 and I saw all the shades, I'm like, it can't be great. But it's actually really, really good. And that is the palette on the inside. Very pretty. And the palette on the outside. And this is a really, really good palette. Have the shades on. I love the variety. I love that it's affordable. And I do think that this is a great travel palette. Like if you're flying a lot or you're just traveling a lot, I think this is really good. Now, I personally don't travel a lot. That's not by choice. It's called I'm broke. But regardless, I think this is a great palette. So yes. So out of the 5 items in this box, I am giving all these ones a yes, and because I really didn't care for the smell and body scrubs really just aren't for me, this is a no. So this was a 4 out of 5. Still really good for a new box, and super excited, and I'm super excited to see what they're going to send me next. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you had an item here that you thought was really cool, please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.